Let's demystify the R, standard English rrrr sound. So there are 4 common mistakes that people often make. First of all, substituting for a different sound. So instead of rrr, red, you're saying lead, which is L, or wed, which is W. So straight up substitution. Number 2, poor formation of the rrr, right? So maybe when you're bending your tongue back, it's going too far up and it sounds a bit like an L, or your lips are coming round and you're getting a little bit woo sound, woo, wed, and it's almost there but not quite. So red, wed, right? Almost the sound. So notice your lips should be relaxed. The tongue is going up towards the upper teeth on the sides, and the front is just gently, we call it flapping, moving back, not curling hard, not pushing back, and not resonating to the back of the mouth. Rrr, rrr, up, bending. Number 3, you could be mistaking or using your L1, your first language, rrr, which could be rrr, like red. Too much. Too much. It's a lazy sound, right? Rrr. So notice that it is different from your other language, and there are many different variations on that too. Number 4 is probably the most difficult to get, is that in English the R sound is pronounced differently in different accents, dialects, regions. So for example, the American hard rrr is pronounced, the rrr is pronounced, and we call it hard R. Harder going back, but in standard English it would be hard, hard. So it's not actually pronounced, and it's art. So my jaw drops a little bit lower down and my tongue is lower down, and it does gently curl at the end, but I'm not going rrr, I'm not doing a hard R. In the beginning, initial R, red, I am going to go rrr, red. But when I have a vowel and an R, I often get super lazy and drop the R and just go with the R. That's it. Okay, don't get too confused and don't get too stressed out about that. I don't think it's worth it. Right, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.